Try out our COVID-19 demo dashboard for yourself. There are four main parts of the dashboard: the map, the demographic matrix, the average estimated infection rate across counties where your employees live, and the estimated US infection rate. First, let's look at the map. The size of the circle represents how many of your employees live in a given county. The depth of color of the circle represents the estimated infection rate. The estimated infection rate is simply the number of confirmed COVID cases in a county divided by the county population in the 2010 US Census. For example, I have 52 active employees in Cook County, Illinois. The circle is larger in Los Angeles County in California, where I have 72 employees, and smaller in Polk County in Iowa, where I have 4 employees. The estimated infection rate in Cook County, Illinois is 1.44%. The color is darker in this county than in Los Angeles County, where the infection rate is 0.48%. I can zoom into a geographic area by using my mouse wheel. We can see that Kings County in New York has a much higher estimated infection rate than other counties on our map. If I want to exclude this data point as an outlier, I can simply click on it and select Exclude. The color legend will automatically update. Select Revert to reset the dashboard to its original view. Now let's look at the demographic matrix. By default, my employee population is segmented into generation and income group. However, you can select from a variety of demographic breakouts, such as pay type, position, or state. Employees in these demographic groupings live across counties with the average estimated infection rate listed. For example, I have 4 employees who make between 100 and 149K and are baby boomers. By drilling down into the data and selecting full data, and scrolling over to county infection rate, I can see that 2 employees live in a county with an estimated infection rate of 0.14%, and 2 employees live in a county with an estimated infection rate of 0.02%. Adding up these 4 infection rates and dividing by 4, I get an average estimated infection rate of 0.08% for that subset of my employee population. You can see this metric across your entire employee population by looking at the box titled Average Estimated Infection Rate Across Counties Where Employees Live. If you use the filters on the left-hand side, for example here, we can look at just part-time employees. The entire dashboard will update based on only the subset you choose in your filters. Finally, we have the estimated US infection rate, which is simply a benchmark and is not tied to your employee population. This is similar to the depth of color indicator on the map.